Want to set goals that you can actually achieve? Let's break down the SMART goal method. SMART equals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound, starting with specific. What exactly you want to do. Example, instead of I want to get fit, try I want to run 5 kilometers. Measurable, how will you track the progress? Example, I want to run 5 kilometers in 30 minutes by the end of the day. Achievable, can you realistically reach it? Example, if you're new to running, aiming for a marathon isn't realistic. Relevant, does this align with your long-term objectives? Example, if your long-term goal is health, running 5 kilometers is relevant. Time-bound, when will you achieve your goal? Example, I want to run 5 kilometers in 30 minutes by January 31st. Set SMART goals and achieve more. Subscribe for more productivity tips.